What is up, YouTube? So today I wanted to finally introduce you guys to the new budget build. It's a 95 EJ1 coupe, has D16 single jingle. Supposedly there's some upgraded internals. The dude that I bought it from said he was going to boost it, so we do notice the upgraded radiator. He said there's internals done. Fuel injectors apparently are upgraded. They look kind of rusted and old. We're not sure. We are going to look further into that, guys. We're going to tear it apart, the block, and see. Maybe we could probably use a borescope to figure out if anything inside internally was done. Good old rusty panel. There is a downside to this car. We got it as an automatic. That's the only real big downfall. It does run and drive. The interior is trash, at least the carpets are. The seats are in great condition. The door panel on both sides are great condition. The headlining is in great condition. All plastics are in good condition, especially that dash. That dash is immaculate. We have plans to go hardtop. We're gonna get rid of this glass, put a sheet metal on top, tack weld it or rivet it in. Not 100% sure yet. We're gonna figure out what the best way to do this. We are gonna paint the car. We're gonna stick to the same black, but my theme for the car is gonna be black and purple. The pros about this car: one, it came with wheels. It came with these taillights. Apparently these taillights are super hard to find. I don't know why. I'm not a Honda guy. It already came with a quick release on it. I have a different steering wheel. The suspension is either on cut springs or sleeves. I'm not sure. It is a pretty rough ride. I could get on it and there's no bounce. The only bounce that we have is from the tires. So I'm not 100% sure on that. The cons is there's a couple dents, a little bit of rust, really faded paint. I looked underneath the car. The car is immaculate underneath. I see no rust. From what I've seen no rust. I've seen nothing like that. So the whole undercarriage looks pretty good. The hood right now is out of whack. Even, I don't know if you guys can see it, even when it sits on the car, the side sits a little bit lower. Don't know if the car was in an accident. This headlight is kind of messed up. It is zip tied. Same with this one. It's kind of messed up. It's zip tied. We're gonna look further into that. But this is the budget build. We don't know what type of budget we're gonna do right now. We know we want to keep the D16. If it is upgraded, if there's stuff actually done internally on it, you know, this is a good platform. From everything the dude said was rods, pistons, ARP head studs, fuel injectors, radiator, exhaust is still stock. He said that he was gonna, like I said, boost it, so he kept the stock exhaust. He didn't want to sell me the kit. Apparently it was a $2,000 kit. I'm not sure. It looked, from what I seen, the pictures of it looked eBay. What else, guys? What else? Oh yeah. So we are gonna do the manual swap. That's gonna come up. Completely gutted interior, roll cage, completely gutted trunk. We're not sure what to do with these windows yet. If we want to do plexi to get as light as possible. I was thinking yes. Eugene was thinking no. Just leave that stock. Because we're not gonna track it every day. We're not gonna drag it every day. You know, it's just gonna be a fun budget car. So guys, let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments. Do you want to see a budget turbo build? a budget supercharger build, a nitrous car, let us know down in the comments. We really want to get your side of what you guys think should be done to this car. Like I said, I want to do the budget turbo build. I know everybody on YouTube, everybody and their mother on YouTube has done a budget build, but if it isn't broke, don't fix it, right? So that's what I'm thinking. You know, it's gonna be running and driving car. If you can do it on a budget, if everybody else has done it on the budget, why can't we? So yes, guys, let us know down in the comments what you guys want to see. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything helps. It really does. We're still a growing channel, and we like to see the feedback. You know, we are growing at an okay rate. We are getting the views now, so let us know.